friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we are going to draw something super fun and yummy, a cute watermelon. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your black marker. Let's draw a big half circle, just like a smile. Now, let's close the top with a straight line. And on this line, draw 2 pointy ears, one on each side. Inside the big half circle, draw another smaller half circle. Then draw another one. This will make the watermelon layers. Inside the ears, let's draw 2 tiny triangles. Now, let's draw 2 big, round eyes. Make them nice and cute. Don't forget the small circles inside for the sparkle. Right in the middle, draw a tiny heart-shaped nose. Time to draw some watermelon seeds. Little oval shapes at the bottom. Yummy! Now let's make it even cuter. Draw some tiny hearts around the watermelon. Adorable! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so it really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Time to color. Yay! Let's see our color pens. Say the colors with me. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Orange color. Green color. Bottle green color. Pink color. Wow, it looks amazing. Great job, friends. You just learned how to draw a cute watermelon with us at Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.